Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can fix the account not found notification or error on your TikTok. So this process or the processes that I am going to show you or the fixes that I'm going to show you is actually simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I have included in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. The first fix that I am going to teach you is to clear your cache. So when there is a glitch with app prompting the error message account not found, you need to clear your cache to allow for the smooth functioning of the app. So to do that, if you're using mobile app, open your TikTok app and then tap onto the profile at the bottom right, and then tap the three-line icon at the top right and tap onto the settings and privacy and tap onto the clear cache. But if you're using a web browser, log in into your TikTok account and click on the three dots at the top right corner, and in the More Tools tab, click on the Clear Browser Data and then choose all time option and then check the cached images and files box, and lastly click on the Clear Data. So that's it for the first fix. And the next fix, what you can do is to ensure you have a strong internet connection. So ensure that your internet connection is strong and you have sufficient mobile data before trying to access an account on TikTok. So as simple as that. And then next, you can restart your device. You can also restart the device you are using to access the TikTok app to ensure smooth functioning. And then next, log in and out of the app. So logging in and out of the TikTok application can help resolve any account issues, preventing your account from functioning properly. And then lastly, what you can do is to check from another account. So if you're not able to see the person's profile and you are wondering whether they must have blocked you or had their account deleted, here's what you should do to confirm this. So log in to another TikTok account and see if you will be able to see the user profile or not. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.